everyone, welcome back to my channel. We've just made it to... where are we?
Ikea.
Ikea again. We love Ikea. And we love Ikea and we also love food. So we thought we'd put 2 and 2 together and have a day of eating just Ikea food.
An amalgamation.
Yes. So, yeah, I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I've only tried a few things in here, so we'll see what else is there. We've come for breakfast. I love to eat.
Come on then.
Let's go.
This is my vibe right here. The timeless classic. Yeah, I do like a bit of fish and chips.
We should sign up for this.
Ikea family. Yeah, sounds good, doesn't it? First thing we've got to do is we always do. What do we always do?
Go for a wee. Right, so I don't think I'm going to sign up to this. I've never been an Ikea family member. Has anyone else signed up to this? Let me know what benefits are. That's a little overview, but I need to take a little read properly in a minute. Signed up to the Ikea family membership.
This is like the best way to shop, isn't it? Just come eat
Just to come for food.
Oh, look at the size of the queue already.
I know. Oh my god, it's really busy.
What?
Oh, you got vegetarian breakfast. What are we gonna have? We get free tea and coffee, look, because we're family members. This is cute.
Seriously, it's cute. They're crazy.
Wow, the queue is huge, guys. Right, so they've got kids food here. Vegan blueberry mousse. I know what Mark's gonna choose. Chocolate cake. I'm gonna go for one of these. Oh, can I open it this way? Yeah. New apple cake. Mark's getting some ketchup. Do you reckon that's Heinz ketchup or just Ikea ketchup, I guess?
Tomato. So this is our little breakfast setup here. We've got fry peach, chocolate cake, and what's your one?
Apple cake.
Apple cake for breakfast and a bread roll each.
That will cost £12.
£12 for all that. I think it's pretty good.
You excited?
Landy, what have you got?
Oh, we got him a little bar actually, didn't we? Because they got baby stuff.
We got him a little baby bar.
Goodies.
Organics.
Oh, so this looks good. So we've got hash browns, beans, egg, sausages, tomato, bread rolls. We love bread rolls from here, don't we? So nice. I don't think I'll be hungry for the apple cake, but I wanted to get it because it's new and I thought I'd give it a little try.
I do love a hash brown.
I love hash browns, my favourite part.
Really good. Ketchup's really good as well.
Landy, you want some eggs? Do you want some eggs? Ready? Ready? Go. Ikea egg for the first time. Oh, nice.
Let me bread roll now.
What have we got?
You're doing the same, aren't you?
No, I just like the roll on it.
Oh, you're not eating the sausage in the roll?
No.
So Liza's had some of her fry up, but your favourite bit is the bread roll,
Yeah,
which you leave till last.
I love it.
Most people have the bread roll first or during. Not Liza, she has it last.
I say for best till last. That's my favourite bit.
The bread roll?
Yeah.
More than the sausage?
So we just had the breakfast. I'm gonna have my apple cake now. I'm literally so full, but I need to try it. Daddy's gone to get a spoon, hasn't he? He's gone to get a spoon. Yeah. Well, Andy, do you want to try some of this? You want to try some of the cream?
Oh, he loves cream.
I bet you do. Ready? His face.
He likes it, likes it.
Oh yeah.
You know me, you know I love a bit of sweetness.
Let's try this then.
You love an apple crumble.
Got a bit of the cream. Bit of the cream. Bit of the cream. Bit of the cake.
Oh, got it, mama.
Oh, that.
Oh, lovely. So what flavours you getting?
It's like cinnamon.
Ooh. Anything else?
Apple.
Yeah.
Cream.
Nice.
Lovely.
Your 3 favourite flavours?
I love the cream.
Yeah.
Mark's going to do a taste test on the chocolate gooey cake. Bit of both of it.
What, cream there?
All of it. Hold on, Orlando.
Oh yeah.
You like it? Orlando's like, where's mine? That little reindeer, that's cute. Christmas, 25. I like this little, it's like Home Alone. Ah,
Yeah.
quite cosy, isn't it? Look at all these little Christmassy table settings.
Little idea. Look, baubles on the table.
Right, we're in the wardrobe section. I actually really want to do our like inbuilt wardrobes. We got built-in wardrobes in our bedroom. And I don't know if you can like buy the pack system and put it inside our built-in wardrobes. I think we should try that, shouldn't we? Because then we can make it a his and hers wardrobe, because at the moment it's just for Mark. I like all of these different compartments. I think it's cute. Like this.
We need to come here with the measurements.
Yeah, we do need to measure it all. Because I'd like to change the doors as well.
Okay.
Yeah? We're going to enter in the kids section now. You like the toys?
No matter where we go, we're always soft play involved, aren't we? We just can't get away from the soft play. Go on, Landy, crawl. Come here, look. What's this? Landy, what's this? Come on. Oh my god. Come on, buddy. Oh. Landy, you just lied down. Oh, what are you doing now?
You want to go on here?
You just crawled, but we didn't.
You just crawled and we didn't video it. Go on then. Do it again. Come on then.
And then. There you go, sir. Go. Oh.
Good boy. They've got their Christmas stuff in now. When we last came in, they didn't have anything. These little things.
I like them, and we got one of them.
Yeah, we did get one last year actually. This looks like it should be in Whoville.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
Yeah.
I like all of the stars. They're really cosy, aren't they? Right, so we've just put everything in the car. We're coming back to Ikea to get some lunch.
Yeah, what are you going to go for?
I don't know.
Salmon? Look, they've got salmon.
No, I don't like salmon. So we're coming to the Ikea bistro for lunch.
We've never been to the bistro before, have we?
No, we just go to the main restaurant, don't we? But should we go to the shop first and get some bits for tonight? I like the meatballs. Look at these ones. Swedish meatball. The dessert section.
Oh my god, dime cake.
Yes. Oh, they do that apple thing that I've just had this morning. Reindeer pasta shapes. They're cute. The boys would love those. I'm going to get this for tonight. Meatballs and mash. I reckon Mark will want the pizza. Do you want that pizza?
Yeah.
Right, so it's lunchtime. I'm having a hot dog. And Mark's having a veggie dog. Veggie hot dog.
With onions and
cabbage. Right, so I just went to go find Orlando's dummy because he dropped it. I found it.
Where was it?
And look how I've come back to Mark eat it.
Here or not?
You alright in there?
Mark must have, right.
Mark doesn't like to be seen when he's eating.
How is it? Looks good. This is your sort of food, to be fair.
Yeah, I just like simple food like this. Simple pleasures.
Simple person.
Simple mind.
Right, I've gone for a strawberry milkshake here. How the hell do you use this thing? I have no idea. This could be embarrassing. Oh, wicked. God, it's quick, isn't it? See how quick that was?
Mark's preferring the milkshake over the hot dog.
Oh, good. Really
Is it nice?
Yeah.
What flavour? I went for an ice cream. I did ask for chocolate, but it didn't have any chocolate on it. So
Really?
Orlando's just eating Mark's wallet to keep him quiet.
Do you know how much this was? The milkshake and the ice cream? Have a guess.
£2.
£1.70.
Pretty good. Right guys, so we just got back from Ikea and I thought I would show you the food that we bought, so I'm going to do a little food shop haul because I don't think I've ever bought food from like that food section in Ikea before. The thing we picked up, which I need to put in the freezer actually, is this massive pizza. Look how big this pizza is. This is a vegetarian pizza, so it's one large pizza, and that pizza was £2.95, but it's a huge pizza there. I also got this, so I'm going to have this tonight for myself, and it is mashed potatoes and meatballs. I was going to buy the big pack of meatballs and then I didn't, but I don't know why I didn't now because I should have done that really, but I just wanted to see how good their ready meals were and I fancied this, so I got that. That was £2.10. We obviously picked up a pack of dimes because you cannot go to Ikea and not buy anything dime related, and we got some dime ice cream. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. So a big tub of dime ice cream, and that was, so the ice cream was £3.25. We also got some fried onions. We actually love these. I usually buy these from B&M. And then the last thing we got here were some dried pasta. So I got these for the boys. These are little reindeer pastas. I showed you them when we were in there. So as you can see, they are little reindeers, which I thought were perfect for the Christmas season. So yeah, that's everything we got from there. So we spent a total of £15 in there. And then I also got, when we were in the bistro section, I think this is like a cinnamon bun. It just looked good, so I'm gonna have a cup of tea now and have this. Oh, it smells so good. That's everything we got from Ikea. I'm gonna put them in the freezer now, those little bits, because they're melting very quickly. So I'll see you at dinner. So it's dinner time now. Mark's having this pizza. This is the vegetarian pizza.
It's good.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Really
Doesn't it smell really nice?
And it's massive. What size is the thing?
It's huge, there's loads left. The boys are gonna have some as well.
You can have some as well.
No, because I want to have the meatballs and mash, so I'm going to show everyone what that is like in a minute. But that is what the pizza looks like, and it smells amazing. Yeah. I've just put this on the plate to make it look nice. Mark's like, that is definitely not enough. I'm like, no, but
I can't eat a whole one of them, but
probably will do.
half.
Yeah, you do a good job there. So I've got the meatballs and mash. This is what it looks like. Mark pretty much inhaled the pizza. Now the boys are having some. Is it nice, friends? Okay, that's my meatballs and mash, all ready to go. Time for some dime ice cream. So, food was a hit, ice cream was a hit. You like that, did you? Mark loved the ice cream, so did the boys. But yeah, I thought I would end the vlog here because that is all of the food we're eating now. I think I'm gonna have some dimes later with a cup of tea, and that's about it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to film with Mark. Let me know what videos you'd like to see next. We've got lots of Christmas content coming up now, so if you've got any Christmas video ideas or suggestions, then leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.